Amazon released a dismal prediction for the current quarter, along with lower-than-expected second-quarter sales on Thursday. Extended trading saw a 6% decline in the shares. Here's what the business did. Earnings, $1.26 per share, as opposed to LSEG's projected $1.3 per share. Revenue, $147.98 billion, as opposed to LSEG's projected $148.56 billion. Yes. Wall Street is also examining these crucial figures. StreetAccount reports that Amazon Web Services made $26.3 billion in sales as opposed to $26 billion. Advertising, $12.8 billion in sales as opposed to $13 billion, according to StreetAccount. According to Amazon's prediction, sales for the current quarter would range between $154 billion to $158.5 billion, or 8 to 11% more than the previous year. LSEG reports that the midpoint of that range, $156.25 billion, lagged behind the average analyst forecast of $158.24 billion. Amazon is facing increasing competition, mostly from bargain websites like Temu and Shein, which let Chinese retailers offer low-cost goods to American customers, while it struggles to build its core retail business. Only 5% of its online retail segment's sales increased annually. The quarter saw a faster-than-expected 12% growth in revenue from third-party seller services, which includes commissions, fulfillment, and shipping costs. Brian Olsavsky, the finance head, admitted to falling short of his internal projections for revenue growth in North America during a call with reporters following the report. According to Olsavsky, the average selling price, ASP, of the items that customers choose to purchase at a lesser cost is what caused the revenue gap. According to Olsavsky, what we're seeing is really around ASP and lower ASP in products selected by customers. They are sticking to their budgetary restraints and switching to lower ASP products. According to a presentation seen by CNBC, Amazon announced plans to open a budget store in June that will mostly offer unbranded goods for less than $20. The announcement was made during a gathering with Chinese vendors. It is anticipated that the store would sell clothing, housewares, and other items. Comparing the third quarter of this year to the same period last year, Amazon anticipates operating profits in the range of $11.5 billion to $15 billion. According to a StreetAccount survey of analysts, operational income will reach $15.3 billion. Although AWS's growth in the cloud exceeded forecasts, rising 19% from the previous year, the company is still developing more slowly than competitors Microsoft and Google. Although their figures cover more than simply cloud infrastructure, each of those businesses claimed a 29% increase in cloud growth in their separate quarterly announcements. During the quarter, Amazon's advertising income increased by 20% to $12.77 billion, just missing projections. The division has become one of the largest revenue producers. While sponsored product listings on the company's web shop still account for the majority of ad sales, the business has expanded its product range and increased its market position in the digital ad space, where it faces competition from Meta and Alphabet. With a 22% increase in revenue, Meta had the best quarter among internet ad providers. Only 11% of Google's revenue came from ads throughout the quarter. Snap said on Thursday that its revenue rose by 16% over the previous year. Due to widespread cost-cutting initiatives throughout the organization, Amazon's net income more than doubled from $6.75 billion, or 65 cents per share, to $13.5 billion, or 1.26 cents per share, a year earlier. Olsavsky stated that the business believes that a portion of the deficit in its guidance stems from customers being preoccupied with global events, making it a tough quarter to forecast. He emphasized the July rally attempt on Donald Trump's life and the start of the Olympics in Paris last month. Customers only have so much attention, regardless of what you're selling or offering to a customer base, and although events like the Olympics don't happen very often, we do see different traffic patterns around those times, Olsavsky stated. You see that people focus more on news when high-profile events occur, like the assassination attempt a few weeks ago.